Wow!
If I'm not mistaken. This would be just
Turn off the windshield wipers! Turn off the wipers!
And
Don't get in an accident.
Arnett is in the path of that storm as it's now 4 miles. The core of the storm, very potentially dangerous area within.
Okay, stop. We're good. Don't go! Jesus Christ!
It's moving to the northeast at about 30 miles.
Shut your door. Shut your door.
Thank you very much.
Shut your door. Okay, go. Back up.
The 101 Weather Center.
Back up.
Incoming, however, we do not want you out of
We're okay.
the storm.
We're okay.
Our spotters on the ground, emergency management directors, our trained spotters on the ground. We do not want you to be out looking at this storm, a dangerous storm, potentially hazardous storm in the South Ellis County area now. Highway 283, that would be Arnett, and to the west.
We're good. Hold on.
4 miles south of 51 and 60.
Listen to the roar! I got it! Hear that? Oh no, those are structures! Oh no! No! Wow! Can you hear that? Don't move! Wow! Oh my God, look at it! Hey, Joel? So is that Manchester-like video? That puts it to shame. It puts it to shame.